Well, I'm back with another video. Uh, this one, just a short little year in review video. I hope y'all are going to enjoy it. Just through some of the projects and such that we did this year. I did get that new job back in, what was it, April or May. I've been working roughly 45 to 50 hours a week, so I didn't get as much done around here as I would have liked to, but I still got quite a bit done. I had made a comment that it was a very uneventful year at the beginning of the video, but after making the video I realized that I've gotten a lot of things done and also had a good time. So anyhow, I hope everybody continues through the end of it. See some wacky pictures I posted at the very end. Me and some of my life cycles. But anyhow, I hope everyone enjoys. Well, 2025 has been pretty uneventful. January started out a bit chilly, then worse. I managed to build a couple garages for a contractor and then mosey on up to the wood stove in the shop. The Grizz and I cleaned up some and then built an outfeed table for the table saw, along with a bin system for screws and such. The organization really helped to improve the usability of the shop. Lots more to do, but it's a good start. And let us not forget about the big fur ball. He definitely liked the cooler temps. The improved space allowed me to build a quilt or a blanket box, some shelves, and a great picnic table that I enjoyed through the summer. Then one last siding job before my big career change into STS driving, or non-emergency transport driver, which among many thought I wouldn't last before getting back into the construction trades. Who knows, they may be right. Finally attacked the trim on the dormers. That was a 3-year procrastination, and they really turned out great. Well, as the snow melted, and at that point I had a bit of free time yet, the Grizz and I cut a trail to the creek for a swimming hole for those hot summer days a-coming. I also got the picnic table stained. Days off, Riley and I took the Grizz to the sister's place where he played in the lake with his girlfriend. And let's not forget about the garden. We worked on that off and on all summer. 2 varying degrees of success. So this spring I ordered a Woodland Mills HM126 sawmill, and Brian from the Adventure Van Man's YouTube channel showed up just in time to help assemble it, and of course to try it out. wasn't all work. It goes without saying that we did a lot of exploring and camping while he was here. From island camping to state forest camping and exploring from the North Shore to Wiley, Minnesota, and some areas that are not so busy. And away he goes. And with the footings in for the greenhouse for 2 years now, it was a lot of mill use for the material to build it in the spring. And of course, let us not forget about the raspberry and strawberry patches and picking. I managed to put the cabinets in the cabin earlier this year, just to be taken back out once again to tile underneath them, and then I decided I didn't like the looks of them. So stay tuned on that front. I also got the porcelain tile on the floor of the cabin this late fall, before the cold hit. Walls next as I have time. And as I had the shop space, I also did a couple of projects for others. I managed some me time to stop and admire some sunrises and sunsets, along with a bit of fall foliage, and just nature in general. As I got some pics back from my ex-wife, I figured I'd put a few at the end of the video to show the progressions of life, and to prove I didn't come out of the womb an old man. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. It was kind of a short one, kind of a year in review. The pictures at the very end here, they were kind of a gift from the ex-wife. She found that she had in a box. So I got a bunch of pictures of my youth and growing up a little bit. But I just want to touch base and wish everybody a happy new year. And hope you all had a great Christmas. And we will see you on the next video.